Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to send PayPal link for payment in 2024. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So to do that, you want to go to paypal.com and log into your account. And once you're in, you want to go to the top of your screen and click onto the option that says send and request. And then select a request that will appear just under it, and it will take you to a screen like this. Now, if you take a look at your right hand side, you're going to see this more ways to request, and under it there is two options, but you want to click onto the second one which says create a personal profile. Then from here you want to click onto the blue button that says create paypal.me profile, and here you're going to be asked to enter your personal information. So the photo is optional. I'm going to click onto not now to skip it, and here you want to choose your link, so make sure to type in something memorable and then click onto next. After that, tick this box to show you agree to the terms and conditions, and then click onto the agree and create button underneath. Finally, click onto done, and here you have your PayPal profile and link created. It's gonna take me back to this page, so you wanna click onto share your personal profile in the right hand side, and it's gonna take you to a screen like this. And you want to click onto this arrow which represents the share button, and then here you can click onto the button on the left that says copy link, so you can save your profile link in the clipboard. Now, if you send the payment link to whomever you want to receive payment from and they open it up, it's going to take them to a screen like this. And they will want to click onto this send button right here, and from here they can choose the currency and enter the amount they want to send. So that's it, that's how to send PayPal link for payment in 2024. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.